What started off as just cardboard and piping turned into an amazing machine. Has there ever been something in your life that you want extremely bad, but you know you'll probably never be able to get it? Maybe a lake house, a motorcycle, or a car. Most everybody has something like that in your life. You may work your absolute hardest to achieve what you want, but you just can't seem to be able to get it. Well, I have to imagine this is the situation who made this crazy creation. Instead of just always wishing for what they couldn't have, they took an alternative route and made something incredible. This thing is like nothing you've ever seen before. They started out with this quadricycle. The thing's pretty big, but would provide a suitable frame for the project. They then created a cardboard template of a scale Porsche 911. This is what they're going to turn the quadricycle into. Here's the quadricycle with all the templates placed around the frame of the bike. This is what will be used to give the bike the shape of a Porsche 911. This is where the real work starts. The actual body of the car will be formed by PVC pipe running along the contours of the cardboard that create the shape of the car. The PVC pipes are held together by simple shipping tape. This would definitely be a painstaking process for sure. The cardboard templates guide the builders to where the PVC should be fitted. This is the rear end with all the cardboard templates removed. This thing is literally held together by a mass amount of tape. The designers of this project definitely did their homework when constructing the cardboard templates. This thing sure is starting to take shape quite nicely. They even added a spoiler to give it an even more authentic look. This is where they started covering the body with tape to seal everything up. They fit working taillights into the back. This thing is going to be very close to the real deal. The headlights came next. I'm still astonished by the detail the body is with just PVC pipe creating the look. It even has a functioning trunk. This could actually come in handy at some point. The car is completely layered in shipping tape. This will allow a layer of gold foil to be placed over top of it. What the final look of the car will be is starting to become visible. It really does highlight the attention to detail. I don't think you'll be needing gas anytime soon. At least your mechanical failures will be minimal while cruising through town. As you can see from the picture, the thing is definitely a head turner. The creator of this thing definitely did the Porsche 911 justice. While it may not be as cool as a real Porsche 911, the time and effort that went into making this has to be admired. Creativity like this should always be celebrated. The maker showed a real knack for improvisation in making something that really does look like an actual Porsche. Share this incredible Porsche bike with all your friends.